What's up, guys? So we have my 08 Acura TL Type S here. I'm going to try and wet sand the headlights because it's got some hazing going on. So I'll give you a quick look at it. There's actually a ton of hazing, but yeah, I want to see if I can wet sand it, most of it off, polish it, and then maybe put a sealant on it, and then some wax. But yeah, just a quick video. This side's the one that's worse. The other side's fine because it's got a new headlight. It's got some 1000 grit old sandpaper. See if that still works. And then I have a 2000 and then 2500. But I also have some soapy water as well. So let's get started. Grit. Hopefully I got it nice and even. Good. Now I'm going to move up to the 2000 and then 2500, and then we'll move up to the compounding. It's one of my obtainable dream cars back when I was in college, but I've always wanted the carbon bronze pearl, kind of like the brownish one, or the black. This color never really, I don't know, just never really, I thought it was too loud for me. And now that I have it, it's kind of growing on me. Luckily enough, the dash hasn't started cracking yet, so I know with a lot of third generation TLs, the dash tends to crack since it sits in the sun all the time. But yeah, with this one, knock on wood, hasn't cracked yet. What else does it need? The hood struts are gone, and those I ordered already, so they're coming in. Oh, also I need the timing belt changed, so I probably will buy the OEM-ish kit on a Rock Auto, and then try and find a mechanic to install that, do the service. I don't trust myself. I'm gonna bust out the 3000 grit and get to my dual action polisher and then compound / polish it, and then seal it up. Almost done. We're just about done. It's pretty smooth now. I want to test polish the hood to see if it's actually just really super messed up paint or it can actually be polished out.
Inside my arms, where the night goes down. Oh baby, I want you to be here when the sun comes up.
Looks pretty uniform. So Rio's Garage Fast Correcting Cream, which is like this stuff, nice and easy to use. But yeah, we're gonna get started on this and then see what the results look like. actually did like a test panel just to see if it would buff out, polish and compound out, and look at that. The difference, there's a bit more gloss now. Not a lot, but more gloss than this side at least. So maybe I don't have to repaint it. We'll see. It's promising. Thought I had to repaint the whole thing, but yeah, surprised. What was supposed to be just wet sanding and kind of polishing the headlights turned out to be just polishing the whole damn hood as well. But at least I know now I don't have to get it repainted. It's not perfect like at all. There's like, I know I'm not going to get a lot of depth and brought back to the paint, but at least it's looking a whole lot better than it was before. Next video, I guess I'm going to start prepping it and getting it ready for the full paint correction. Yeah, until next time.